What is Baja? It's amazing. In this video, you may see some footage you've seen before, but there's a lot of new footage as well. We spent the last 3 months in Baja and had some great times here and just wanted to share some of those experiences with you. We've been to Baja, well, we've been in Baja for months. We've been to this particular spot. This is Los Frailes. Oh my God. We've been to Los Frailes 4 or 5 times now. We've only kind of seen the touristy stuff. Our friend Dave actually lives here, and you know what? We're gonna hang out with him and get some of the Baja lifestyle. Some areas in Baja you can buy half an acre with an ocean view for less than $20,000, and most people just bring down a 5th wheel or a trailer and leave it there. Of course, if you want to spend a lot of money down there, you can do that too. Personally, I think the guys in trailers have a lot more fun. The marine life in the Sea of Cortez is simply amazing. Even Jacques Cousteau called it the world's aquarium. And the fishing, forget about it. And where else can you load up a truck full of people and drive out on the beach? If nightlife's what you're looking for, you can definitely find that too. So most of this stuff you haven't seen before. Some of it's like my best of Baja, but you know what guys, this is all about Baja. And if you're ever thinking about like just escaping down here, buying land, cruising, taking an RV, there's so many people who do that. Hope this influences you to enjoy it. So get out there and enjoy life while you can. A lot of people plan on traveling when they retire, but maybe they don't make it to retirement, or just don't feel like doing it at that age.